Hey, what's up everyone? We are going to check out the LTC Nimbleback NB841 Pro Mechanical Keyboard. Nicely packaged, I say so myself. And you do get the USB-C Type-C cable, and you get the keycap puller and these forest green linear switches. Oh wow, look at this. This thing comes pre-charged once you take it out of the package. Now look at that. It comes with its came with a LCD screen. Really nice. Need the software to sync though, as always. That's pretty cool. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, nice. Damn, this thing is so heavy. Sheesh. And it is tri-mode and hot swappable. Check it out. LTC Nimbleback.